Something really painful I came across yesterday, and just crossed my mind now as I'm running. There's a young boy from Pineville that apparently committed suicide after just, failing grade 11 or failing matric. And this really hurts me. It touched me so much because I've been in that position where I almost committed suicide. Where I was a typical 15, 16, 17-year-old boy that multiple times, every single year, I would have the stress of getting a report and what my marks would be. And when I failed, guys, my heart would sink, it would drop, I'd be called names. There's multiple teachers that I'll never forget. Multiple teachers from throughout primary to high school that called me names effortlessly. Multiple school learners that even later on came to be my employees that used to judge me like crazy. But later on, like, yeah, congrats on you. But they forgot they called me names that I'd turn out to be nothing. And that just for the fact that I didn't get those high marks or didn't pass grade 11, grade 10. I failed grade 5. I failed grade 6. I failed grade 10 as well. And I failed grade 11. That's why I don't have my matric. I'm only getting my matric now, 10 years later, because I had to build myself and be a man and have the courage and confidence to go back into that toxic space and actually get my matric. I'm getting my matric as we speak right now. So nobody deserves to be judged. No child right now deserves to be judged. If you're currently in grade 10, 11 or whatever, if you're still in school and you're watching this video and you've been called name, take my word and save this video. Nobody has the right to ever judge you based on your marks and telling you that determines who you're going to be in the future. That does not determine nothing to do with your future. If you're getting high marks, doesn't mean you're going to be the richest person in the world. We've seen that, And if you're getting the lowest marks or you fail in your grades, definitely does not mean you're going to amount to nothing. That is all a lie, and it is literally, it can't even be used as a judgment of your life. It cannot. You're still young at the age of 17, 18, 19. You are barely in the beginning of your life. You're barely starting your life. You're barely doing anything with your life. So you have the right to make as many mistakes as you want. You can go wrong as many times as you want, and nobody has the right to judge you. So if your teachers, your friends, your family, your associates, or your partner, whoever it is, people around you are judging you, telling that you'd amount to be nothing because of failed grades and failed subjects, tell them this. They've got no right to judge you, and you're going to be whoever you want, and everything in your life is going to happen at whatever place that God has granted you to happen. If you can turn out, you're going to turn out like me. It's okay. I failed multiple times, and that never determined me. That never granted me. That never meant nothing for me. Nothing. I'm still here. I'm still getting my matric right now. I'm the age of 20. I'm only getting it now. So nobody deserves to die because they failed a matric or grade 11, grade 10, grade 5, grade 7. Nobody deserves that. I went through the craziest bullying psychologically and physically as a child, barely just because I'm not smart, because I couldn't get high marks in school. So no child deserves that level of bullying from anybody around them. Let us stop this, guys, and together we can protect these kids.